What is going on, YouTube? This is Crypto Vision signing back on the air. I know it's been a few days since I've been on the air, but it's been kind of crazy. We've had to go to the hospital. We've had a lot of stuff going on with work. So let's get into the charts. Well, it looks like we've had some good things going on the last couple of days. It's the market's been really up, but we're having kind of a correction now. But I don't really think this is anything to panic about. I think this is just a correction. As I've said before in previous videos, you can't be you can't expect something to just keep going up without some kind of retracement or some kind of correction. You're going to have days where you're red all day long, where the price just consolidates and doesn't move at all, and it'll be basically not even worth looking at. So, I think we're probably going to enter into a little bit of a consolidation phase from the way it looks. I don't think we're going to really fall any further. I do have to say, though, I know there are people out there that sell just because Bitcoin starts to tank. I myself, I would not sell my Ethereum. I'm up to 1.68 Ethereum now. I finally got my taxes and I've pretty much converted everything into Ethereum. I still believe Ethereum's going to run. Even if it fell to $84, which I don't see it happening, I still think it's going to run. And if Bitcoin tanked $1,000, if it dropped $1,000, I'm sorry. I know there are people out there. If Bitcoin jumped off a cliff, they would too. You see, I don't sell my crypto just because Bitcoin decides to take a nosedive. I have my own mind. I decide, I don't let an indicator tell me when to buy or sell. I sell when me and my wife need gas for me to get to work, or if we need to buy groceries, that's when I sell. I don't need some indicator to flash red and tell me to sell my coin. I have my own mind. I can determine when it's time to sell or not. I don't need some analyst. I don't need Bitcoin falling $1,000 to spook me into selling my coin. That's just not going to happen. Or I will sell when I want to take profits. But if you're going to be in the investing game, especially the crypto game, you can't be scared into selling your coins if Bitcoin decides to take a nosedive and drop 700 or $1,000. Yeah, what you have might lose some money, but you got to remember it always comes back around. It may take a while, but you're not going to lose out just because Bitcoin decides to tank. So, my message is hold on to your coins. Because remember, like I said, this bull run is not over. This bull market could last another 3 or 4 months. This halving is not until May. So you're going to sell out all your coins now and miss potential future runs because you got scared because of this little dip. For me, that's not a good enough excuse. That's not a good enough reason to warrant me selling. So, to look at the charts here, Bitcoin started out at 10,072, just kind of flatlined all day, and then finally decided to fall off the cliff here. Dropped to about 96.35, all the way down to about 95.53. So 95.53 to say 10,000. See, 600, I think. No, 10,100. I think it's going to come back, guys. I mean, you have these little corrections. I wouldn't panic. I still think Bitcoin's going to jump to 17,000. So let's move on to the next coin, XRP. And we pretty much already know what XRP did, which is basically nothing. I've just never seen anything more manipulated than XRP. I'm a huge fan of XRP, but I just have never seen anything more manipulated than this coin. So with XRP, we started out at about 29 cents. Like I said, pretty stagnant the entire day, flatline, and kind of bumped up a little bit here. Shot up to about 30 cents, it looks like. We met resistance, and that's what's kind of pushing us down. That's another thing. A lot of these coins are meeting these resistances. Your volume is starting to kind of just fizzle out. And when you don't have the push to get through that resistance, that's what starts the coins to drop. So big for XRP, we fell to about 28, 29 cents. So between 28 and 30 cents is our support level for XRP. And I still think XRP could hit $1 short term. If we have a 17 situation again, I think you're looking at $3.50 to $4, guys. We'll move on to Litecoin, and for whatever reason, I could not get Ethereum's chart pulled up, so I'll just kind of tell you what it did today, because I basically watched it all day long. So with Litecoin, guys, basically the same business. We started out at about 76, flatlined all day, fell down to 71, and then 68. So guys, Litecoin looking pretty good though. I think you're going to go back to 150. And Ethereum started out at about 270, 280. Fell to about 260. Don't panic. Anyway, guys, like I said, don't panic. Hold on to your coins. We're going to continue doing well. Bull run is not over. This is Crypto Vision, Wednesday evening, signing off. Peace out, guys.